Hello mga karoro. So maaga tayo. Ah, Ngayon medyo maaga pa so gumala tayo. Ah, Siguro hindi natin alam kung kakain tayo or ano. Basta gagala lang tayo ngayon. Para breath of fresh air. Maybe lakad-lakad sa park or nood-nood. Because syempre we want to explore. That's why we travel. So, in traveling, we need to explore everything. Not just everything, but the place. We need to see uh, what this place can offer to the travelers. For me, when you go here in Johor, it's okay. Not, I cannot recommend too much because maybe in KL, Melaka, Genting, there you can go. It's a place to be when you will be here in Malaysia. Because when I'm here, I'm going here, I always go to that places because that place is very very good. Okay. So yan, malapit na tayo sa park. Tawid lang tayo. Here, so many trees. And nakikita nyo naman, maraming uwak dito. Uwak at saka yung kalapate. Hindi nila hinuhuli rito or hindi nila pinapakailaman na. They live it like that. So, malaya sila. Not like in the Philippines. Oh my God. Oh, blue bar. Alam na. Dito hindi. Lahat ng kalapati rito, uwak. So this is they call roundabout. Pero when you go to the Philippines or in Manila, this is only the circle. It's a circle, but they call this roundabout. So yan, that's the park here in this place. So this place had park. Yeah. So we will go there and let's see what's there. I think someone's playing basketball, sepak takraw, so on and so forth. Okay, wala nang sasakyan, so let's go. Okay, so we're here already in the park. So look at the drainage. See? That's a drainage here. So that's why when the rain falls, very big drainage. Okay, we're here. So someone's playing basketball and sepak takraw. Okay, we walk going to Ian Mall. So we are going to Ian Mall. Okay, sa pasalubong tayo sa mga naglalakad kasi may mga nagwo-walking dito. Okay. So ayan, inayos. Okay, so we are in the park. And we walk. Okay, there are so many people walking here in the park. So this is the park in Bukit Indah, Johor. Okay, bye bye. See you. You see, this is the park. The other side of the park. It's 7 p.m. Yeah, 7 p.m. and you see very bright. So, maliwanag na maliwanag pa. 7:01 p.m. here in Malaysia. Okay, so let's go to the other side and let's go to the Ion Mall. So, tumawid tayo sa tamang tawiran because we need to respect not only our country but the other countries rules and regulations. So that's one. So we are now going inside of the Ion Mall. So I think hanggang dito na lang. Bye bye.